What do we do?
He's got his ears out. Has he got his ears out?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Shit.
How far are you going to go, Ryan? Is it
know.
going to force us into the river? Okay, he's going off, he's going off, he's going off. I think if we just sit still.
Yeah, just sit still for a bit. Yeah, just sit still for a bit, Ryan.
Because he doesn't like
what
it,
can we
does
do?
he?
We can't keep on going back. There's nowhere to go.
I know, he's coming back again.
Oh, I don't like this. Yeah.
Oh, he's got his ears right up.
Shall I call the ranger?
Yeah.
He's
Get
stopped.
right out of the way. And
But
just-
keep going. He's stopped. He's going back now, but I say we keep going back as
He's
well.
not going back.
No.
He is. He's
He's
going. He's going. Just stop, Ryan. Just stop, Ryan.
Can we get through this puddle?
Look. Okay, just. I say you just stop.
But he's still looking at us.
Yeah, but I say you just. Look, he's going now.
Yeah, but what if
Just give it. We have to wait.
He was ready to charge us.
We're never getting out of this
my
park
adrenaline is like...
ever again. Okay, he's going.
Fuck off the road.
We might be in a car.